Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today, we're going to be learning how to sign up for Robinhood account. So let's get started without further ado. To sign up and get started with Robinhood, go ahead and open up your web browser, or you can also open up your Robinhood application. Now, once you open up a web browser for yourself, go to the search box and type in robinhood.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official site for Robinhood. Click on the sign up button located at the top right hand corner. You'll end up in the sign up page for Robinhood. To sign up, you must be residing currently in the United States, since you cannot create an account currently if you are residing outside the United States. Now go to the first text box and type in your first name. On the next field, type in your last name, provide a valid email address for yourself, and then create a password for your account on the next field. Make sure that your password is strong. After typing in all of the credentials in the text boxes, click continue. It'll then take you to a new page where you'll need to type in your phone number, your residential address, and other information. Simply go ahead and select your country from the drop-down and enter your phone number. After entering a correct phone number that you have access to, go to the next field and enter your residential address. On the next field, you can enter your apartment number, building number, etc. You can also skip this step, go to the next field and enter the name of your city. Select your state from the drop-down and enter your zip code. Finally, click the continue button. When done, review your residential address, and you can also further edit the address if it is not correct. If it is, you can click on confirm address button. You'll then need to verify your phone number. You'll receive a 6-digit code as a verification, so click on send by text at the bottom right, or you can also receive the 6-digit code via phone call. To receive a phone call, click on send by call. To receive a text, click on send by text. Enter the text code that you received on your mobile number. After you enter the code, click the continue button and follow through the prompts. After verifying your phone number, you'll be able to land in the main homepage for Robinhood, which means you've successfully created your account. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.